Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TD Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty opened in a gap up. So after that it covered the gap which was pending in the morning. So after that it took a support with the previous swing which was happened on yesterday. So after that it closed at higher level. So market is in completely bullish trend. Why? Because it's maintaining its higher levels and it's maintaining and making higher lows. Whenever the market is making higher lows, we can expect further bullish movement in that particular either stock or in index. So if we come to tomorrow levels, if it opens flat on tomorrow and breaks this high, we can expect further up move in Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and breaks this low, which is around 19,760 level, if it breaks this low level, so immediate support will be around 19,730. So where the market opens on tomorrow, it depends on the levels where it breaks on the higher levels or the lower levels. So tomorrow expiry is there. If it opens flat, we can expect further up move, or else if it opens on the higher levels, we can expect some sell off. After that one reversal we can expect on Nifty. So we'll check with Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty in the previous day it made a one complete sideways movement and closed on the lower levels. So today also it continued the same sideways movement with the previous day the swing which took the resistance on today and it closed on the same levels. So on tomorrow if it opens flat and if it breaks this higher level, so which is around 45,700 level, we can expect further up move in Bank Nifty. And after moving upside we have a resistance, so which is at level 45,900, which will act as strong resistance level what we can expect on tomorrow. Or else if it opens flat and breaks today's low, so today's low is around 45,000, so 450 we can expect this level as a support level. After that if it breaks this low and if it continues to come down, then we can take the immediate another support level, so which is around 45,300 level, which will act as strong support level for tomorrow. So we have to check where the market opens, whether it opens gap up, gap down, or opens flat. So next we will check with Fin Nifty. As we have seen in Bank Nifty, like the same way Fin Nifty also made a complete one sideways movement on yesterday. What we can say, this one as range bound. So today it opened, so after that it took the previous swing as a resistance and closed with the higher levels. So on tomorrow these levels will become important support and resistance. So on the higher levels, which is 20,380 will act as resistance, and the lower levels, so 20,250 will act as support level. This will act as support level. So if it opens flat and if it breaks today's high, we can expect further up move in Fin Nifty. So Fin Nifty we have another resistance level, so which is around 20,480 level. We can expect this one as strong resistance level. Or else if it opens flat and if it breaks today's low, we can expect further downside movement, so which is around this level, which is at 20,220 level, which will act as strong support level for tomorrow. Now we check with Reliance stock. Reliance stock is at all-time high, near to the all-time high. So what is all-time high? We call it as ATH, all-time high. So this will refers, this is the maximum the market has moved that particular price. So here I have taken with the weekly time frame. As you can see here, we can see a resistance level, so which is around at all-time high with the number 2856 level. This one is the resistance level. So on tomorrow if it breaks today's high and if it continues to move upside, we can expect further up move in Reliance. So and one more thing is like from last 4 days market is in completely bullish in Reliance. So whenever the market moves like this, either it has to make one sideways movement or it has to give some correction, after that it has to move upside, so that we can expect further up move, strong bullish movement in Reliance. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you next market analysis. Thank you.